Hey guys, welcome back. In the last session, we have cloned a Git repository by using the git clone command. We have cloned this repository by using the git clone command. Now the repository is, it's cloned and it is available in your local directory. Okay. So now what I want to do is I'll be, creating a workspace using this repository. Inside this, I'll be creating a customer microservice. Okay. So I'll be using the IntelliJ idea. Okay. For my day-to-day, coding. So you can use the Spring Tool suite as well. Okay. Okay, so I have my IntelliJ idea open. So now what I want to do is I want to, open the, I want to change the directory actually. My working directory would be this directory. Okay, so I want to point it to this directory. Okay, let me go here. I'll be creating a new project actually. Okay, so let me open the directory, open. Okay, so what I'll do is as I'm creating a new project, right? So let me go and click on the new project. Okay, so I'll be using the Maven, okay, as a build tool. So directly let me go and create the Maven. Okay, now what here? Okay, I'm at my IntelliJ IDEA workspace. Now what I want to do is I want to create a new project. Okay, let me click on new project. So here you can choose different types of project. If you want to create a Maven project, you can choose Maven project. Jakarta project, you can create a Spring Boot project. As of now, we are going to create the Spring Boot project. Now here, the first thing, it is asking the name of the project. So you can give the name of the project as the customer service. Okay. So customer service is the project name. Okay. So where it would be, so where you want to store this project details. So we have the, Git location, right? So we will directly go to our local Git, and in this banking repo only, we will be going to store this project. Select this folder, and the project, the customer service, will be going to store into this banking repo project. So what is the technology you're going to use? Java only. So what is the type of build tool you are going to use? Maven we are going to use. Just click on the Maven. So what is the group ID? Group ID is nothing but your package name. So what is your package name? So I'll be maintaining some package names actually. Okay, so I'll be saying arg.nsk.bank. Okay, so this is my group ID and artifact ID. Artifact ID I'll be leaving as the same as customer service is the artifact ID, and the package name. And the package name, it is saying that total, like it is giving the group ID and artifact ID, mixing it, and it will be giving the package name as r.nsk.bank.customer service. But I don't want to give the project name as my project name in the package name. So that's why I'm excluding that. So I'm giving just r.nsk.bank is the project name. What is the Java version you are using? So I'm using the Java 21. I have installed in my laptop. So I'm using the Java 21 only. So here I'll be changing to 21. So what type of jar, what type of packaging you want? So the jar file or war file? So I want a jar file only. Okay. Click on next. Okay. So now here we need to choose the dependencies. What are the dependencies we are going to add it? Okay, so we need if you want to work with Spring Boot, okay, then you have to use web dependency. So Spring Web dependency you have to use, and we are going to store the data, customer data, into the database. I'll be using the Spring Data JPA as well. So you can see here Spring Data JPA. So this is the one more dependency I have to use, and I have to use the MySQL dependency as well. So I'm using the MySQL as my database actually. So that's why I'm using the MySQL dependency, and I'll be using the Lombok as well. So Lombok will be used for, like, mostly we will be using Lombok for generating the setters and getters. For constructors also we'll be using, for writing the loggers also we'll be using Lombok. Okay, so I'll be using Lombok, and then I'll be using DevTools actually. DevTools. See, why you are using DevTools in the, what is the use of DevTools in the sense? Like, you don't need to rebuild the project again and again. So if any small change is there, the the Tomcat will be automatically picking up the changes. That's why we are adding the def tool. Okay, so these are the some of the dependencies we have to add it as part of the customer service. Okay, now let's go and create the project. Okay, the project is created. It is like downloading the dependencies. You can see here it is downloading the dependencies for the customer service project. Okay, once it is downloaded, see, you can see here, so it is downloading the some of the dependencies. Once it is downloaded, we can good to go with this. We are good to go, and we will be developing the customer service, my customer microservice or customer service. Okay, so let's wait for the Maven to download these dependencies. Once it is downloaded, we'll come back again. The dependencies are downloaded. Let's check the dependencies. What are the dependencies we have added? So we have added the Data JPA dependency for connecting with the database. For we have added the web dependency, DevTools we have added. We have added the MySQL dependency, Lombok we have added, and by default the test dependency will be there. And the plugins we have added the Maven compiler plugin. Okay, and we have added the Spring Boot Maven plugin. We need to add one more plugin actually. So this plugin is for like generating the Docker images actually. So I'll be adding this plugin manually. Okay. So the plugin is plugin. Let me close this. Okay. Let me add the plugin in background. Okay. Here I have added the Maven plugin actually. This plugin is used to generate the image Docker image actually. So it is coming from like Google. So it is a Jive Maven plugin. So with this we can generate the Docker images. I have given the image details. My image is like gcr.io, nsk test customer service is the image name. Or if you want to change the image name, you can change your own image name, no problem. There is no problem in it. And here I have given the tag as latest. Okay, so these are the some JVM flags we have set it. Okay, and we have given the extra directories as well. So source main JIB is the directory where we will be going to store all these Maven sorry Docker uh, images actually. Okay, so I hope this is fine. So in the next session, we will start coding the customer service. Okay, so until then, thank you for watching.